Hey, how's going on guys, this is Shihab, and for my daily driver as a PC was HP 450Z1 with a dedicated 2GB of AMD Radeon 7870 GPU. That was a quite beast of a laptop, but for doing some very heavy work like I'm doing simultaneously in Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro, multitasking in between them, it started stuttering. So time for an upgrade. Welcome to my PC build project 2015. So I'm building a complete new PC for myself, and as you can see all the components are laying behind me, and I'm going to build a complete new rig. It's going to be a beast for my two 1080p screens, and I think it will be a fun time to build a new PC for myself and share with you the experience. So this is just an introduction, I'm not going to unveil anything in this episode. So the first episode will be the unboxing of the chassis, the case I'm going to build my system. I'm not going to tell you which chassis I'm going to use, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. I liked it very much, and it's a very dope looking chassis. And another thing I'm going to tell you guys is the unboxing of my chassis. I'm going to do it with a little bit cinematic style. I hope you'll enjoy the full series of my PC build project, so definitely stay tuned for that. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you must click the subscribe button and also hit the thumbs up button. Stay tuned, it's awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next one.